How to make money on Minddrift. Have you ever wondered how you can turn creativity into cash? Stay tuned to discover how Minddrift can help you make money online. So, hi guys and welcome in this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can leverage Minddrift to create and sell unique digital products. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning money online. So let's get started. First, what is Minddrift? Minddrift is a powerful EA-driven platform that helps you generate creative content from digital art to writing material. It's designed to spark creativity and assist you in producing high quality, marketable content whether you are an artist, writer, or just someone with a creative flair. Minecraft can be your secret weapon for creating unique products. So here we have some types of content you can create. With Minddrift, you can create a variety of digital products such as ebooks, stock photos, custom illustrations, and more. Imagine some beautifully designed digital planners on Etsy or licensing your stunning stock photos on Shutterstock. The possibilities are endless and the market for digital products is growing rapidly. So let's take a look at how you can create a unique piece of digital art with Minddrift. So first of all, you have to open your web browser and dive into minddrift.ea. As you can see, this is the website. Here we have other options like our roles, blog, about us, pack. Then we have fake. We have also login for EA tutor. Then we have apply now. So our roles, we have EA tutors writer, EA tutors domain expert, EA tutors editor, EA tutors expert annotator. If we scroll down, here we have some different some information like who are EA tutors. This is a new role arising for advancements in AI technology. AI tutors are experts involved in AI projects. Their responsibilities include crafting texts, evaluating the AI's responses, and conducting fact. Here we have some comments. As you can see, you can read it to more understand. If we scroll down, here we have the definition of Minddrift. Minddrift is a community of freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence, dedicated to generating high-quality data for improving EA. We have other information like try your hand at EA projects, apply your knowledge in a new way, and enrich your portfolio. Then we have work from anywhere, anytime. Enjoy the freedom of a part-time schedule, get paid based on project complexity. Then we have collaborate and learn, join forces with fellow experts setting a new standard for EA, all under the guidance of experienced team lead. If we scroll down here, we have join our talent pool. We have annotation, as you can see, vertical specialists who administrate the AA projects and ensure the highest quality of prompt generation and data markup. Then we have writing and editing, an opportunity for writers, editor, and language professionals to combine technical skills and creativity in an innovative way. Then we have domain experts. We are looking for subject matter experts in various domains from law to engineering who will join our mission to enhance EA. Here we have, you can apply here first name, last name, email, put your phone number. Then we have country. Here we have like linked in profile, personal website. If you are agree, all you have to do is click over here. If you are agree that you can keep your data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact them about job opportunities. So all you have to do is submit the application if you wanna. Here we have also some responsibilities. First, we have review and verify the work done by others and suggest improvements. Then we have formulate clear, effective instructions for initiation projects. Then we have develop training tasks for EA projects. About requirements we have first grade command of English, intermediate or higher, then can I for detail, data labeling is all about precision, then we have readiness to learn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instruction. So let's come back at the top. Here we have our role, as you can see, then block. Let's click over here. Block, we have other options like roles and more, as you can see. You have roles here, the role of expert innovator. Then we have interview with Julia, as you can see, to know the role. Then we have insights, as you can see, stories also, stories with arts to AA, EMS journey. We have also other persons, as you can see. Also, we have podcast, interview with Tanisha, interview with Amy. You can choose the one you want. So let's know about us. Well, as we have here the definition of Minddrift, as you can see, we have also fake. We have frequently asked questions. Also, all you have to do is read it with his answers. All you have to do is click over here to get your answers. First, we have general facts. Do I need AI development experience? Now we will contribute to the advancement of AI models, but without any coding skills required. As an AI tutor, your main goal will be to share your knowledge. Be it writing, healthcare, coding, physics, or any other, to advance the AI models of tomorrow. So here we have also other questions. What is in EA tutor? How many tasks will I be able to get? Why should I want to be an EA tutor? Then we have pay. I have two questions here. How do I get paid? How much will I get paid? Then we have requirement. Will I need to performance? How flexible is this opportunity? As you can see. So now that you have created your digital products, it's time to sell it. Websites like Etsy are perfect for digital downloads, while Shutterstock is great for stock image. Setting up a seller account is straightforward on Etsy. Click sell on Etsy and follow the prompts to create your shop. On Shutterstock, sign up as a contributor and upload your image. Amazon Kindle also is perfect for ebooks. Just follow their publishing guidelines lines to get started. So, and there you have it. With Minddrift, making money online has never been easier. Start creating today and turn your passion into profit. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.